I have successfully installed 3M protection film on this Toyota Highlander. The protection film is currently on the hood, bumper, headlight, fog light, side panel, and front grille. And as you can see, it is not visible at all. I will take you through the entire process. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and remember to subscribe to my channel. This is a 2014 Toyota Highlander that I have done a complete exterior detail job on. This includes rust prevention, paint touch-up, replacement of clear coat, compound and polish, installation of 3M protection film, as well as ceramic coating. But in this video, I will be taking you through the installation of the 3M protection film. The protection film should be installed on very clean paint, so I am giving the car a thorough wash. I am using Dawn dishwashing soap, which is very effective on grease. So the car is completely washed and I'm now about to use Giant Quartz Prep, which is a alcohol-based wipe. This will remove grease or grime that might still be left on the paint. And now this is the 3M paint protection film that I purchased on eBay. It is very expensive, guys. I will put a link in the description below. It came with this water squeegee as well as the instruction manual, which I did not follow. I hope you do not make the mistake that I made. My mistake was that I used too much liquid soap in my solution. I used about 15 times the amount that I should have used, and because of that I ran into many problems installing the protection film. The mixture of the slip solution should be 24 ounces of distilled water to 2 milliliter of Johnson baby shampoo, and the mixture of the bonding solution should be 24 ounces of distilled water with 8 ounces of 70% isopropyl alcohol. In this case, the slip solution should only be used on the bumper due to its complexity and curves. This will enable the protection film to slide on the bumper for needed adjustments. And the bonding solution is used for all the other pieces because those pieces are not complicated and need much adjustments when applying. Having a partner to help you remove the backing from the film will make this job way easier. You only need to ensure that you spray down the film with the alcohol-based solution while removing the plastic backing from the film. Once you align all the edges of the film to the hood, you can start using the squeegee to squeeze the water from beneath the film. It is recommended to align the film and then start from the center. I used the slip solution on this piece when I shouldn't have. This made the installation more difficult because the protection film wasn't bonding to the paint as quickly as I needed. So I'm just using the squeegee to squeeze all the water out, as well as this microfiber towel. The edges of the protection film can be challenging, especially if you're using the slip solution. So to help the protection film bond to the paint at the edges, I use the alcohol-based solution to wash away the slip solution. Now it's time to install the protection film on the bumper. So while removing the film, you need to use the slip solution to spray on the film to prevent it from sticking to itself. And having help here would make it easier. So what I did, I placed the film on the bumper. So you use the slip solution to spray on both the outside as well as the inside of the protection film. After you set the protection film to the bumper, you do not need the slip solution anymore. The only solution you need right now is the alcohol-based solution. So you just need to line up your bumper starting at one end and just work your way right around the bumper. while working your way, you want to stretch the film a little while working. But as you can see, I'm having difficulty right there to have the protection film to stick to the paint, and this is only because my slip solution had way too much soap, so I had to be using the alcohol based solution to try and wash away as much of the soap as possible. So that was my biggest struggle installing this protection film. But guys, I know you won't make the same mistake I did. I'm here for you. So while installing the protection film, you need to stretch if needed. If you notice that part of the protection film is too short, you can remove it and reinstall, but you gotta be gentle here. Installing the protection film will take time, but with enough patience, you can get it done. You might find that there are portions of the protection film that did not fit well, like that part right there. I'm going to cut that piece to make it fit. It won't have a smooth finish, but that's the only way to fix that area. So the kit also came with protection film for the headlight, same procedure. You place the protection film, make the alignment, then use a squeegee to squeeze the water out. Installing these small pieces, you only need the alcohol-based solution. You do not need the slip solution for these small pieces. The slip solution should only be used on the bumper because of the complexity. But these small pieces, you only need the alcohol-based solution. So you need to focus on the edges because those are the areas that tend to give a little problem. So I now move to the second headlight. Same procedure using the alcohol-based solution. Align the protection film and then use the squeegee to squeeze all the water out. It also came with a piece for the mirrors. Same procedure using the alcohol-based solution and apply the protection film. I'll be installing these on both mirrors. It also came with strips of film for the front grille. These are the easiest to install. So there are 3 more pieces to install. This piece right here that goes to this section of the bumper. this round piece here for the fog light. And this rectangular piece right here for this removable piece of the bumper that you can be towed from. And after completing your installation, you need to do a full inspection. You will find that there might be some defects. You will most likely find some water bubbles, but you can fix those. To fix these water bubbles, you just need a small pin and you just need to make a hole in the bubble and try to squeeze all the water out. It might not look so good initially, but over time, after it's completely dried, you won't see any mark. And I'm using a heat gun right here to shrink the protection film. It doesn't look so good right now, guys, but in a couple weeks you will not notice that there was a bubble right there. So you'll just need to inspect the entire car and remove similar bubbles. For this area that I mentioned earlier that need to be cut, I'm using a razor and just to have the cut as close as possible together. And you can see, guys, the improvement. It's not perfect, but it's way better than it was. So I use the heat gun just to shrink it a little, and that's it. That's the end, guys. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and remember to subscribe for similar videos. See you on the next one, guys.